back to my channel. This is your teacher Pinay. I'm doing my unboxing of this special edition of Allure beauty box. So this is for free, guys. I got this box for free and this is valued at 250 plus. So there are maybe, I think there are 20 items inside the box, and let's see what's inside this box. So how did I get this for free? So I subscribed to Allure beauty box for a year. So if you subscribe to this beauty box for a year, then you will get this special edition box for free, valued at $250. So let's see what's inside this box, guys. And this is worth $250. So join me. See this, guys? Oh my gosh, I got all these items for free. See how many items are there? Oops, let's count, guys. So I got item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, oh, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Oh my god, guys, I got all these 27 items for free. See? So if you subscribe to Allure beauty box for a year, you will all get this for free. This is their special promo and special edition, and let's see what's inside this. I will go over them one at a time, but I will not be reading descriptions. I'll just tell you what it is because there's a lot of them, guys. So if you want to subscribe to this subscription box, just look into the description below and look for the link. So let's see, guys, and see what's inside this. What's all these 27 items? So see, special edition. So we got item 1. We got for all skin type. This is a watermelon jelly sheet mask. So this is a mask, guys. See, mask item 1, and there's another mask. So this is Lapus Daily Skin Mask Pearl. So another mask. God, what's this one? Vita Advanced Organic Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloth for face and body. So 10 days. So tanning, I think this is tan infused cloth, guys. if you want to get 10. So this one, that's number 3. Another one is for rejuvenating eye gel. So that's an eye gel. Okay, rejuvenating eye gel. And this one is a lip mask. A lip mask, guys. So see, lip mask. This one is tan applicator. So I think this is for the tan applicator by Saint. Tan applicator. Okay, next is, this is for relief cream. I think this is for the skin redness, prone skin. So I think so. So this is, I think, for eczema prone skin. So this is good for me, guys. I always have reddish skin. And we got next item is Moroccan oil. Let's see. This is Moroccan treatment oil for all hair type. So this is for the hair. This one is metallic eyeshadow. Let's see, guys, what's inside this metallic eyeshadow. See, that's metallic eyeshadow. Then we got classic conditioner. So this is for hair. So let's separate. This is for hair. And then we got this shampoo, color smooth shampoo color protectant. So this is also for hair. This one is nail polish, so that's for nail. This one, Cargo Cosmetic. I don't know what this is. Let's see, what's this one? What's this one, guys? I don't know. Cargo Cosmetics. I don't want to open. This one is from, we got one from Allure Eye Pro Retinol Eye Treatment. So for eye treatment, you go there. This is for the eyes. What else for the eyes? Let's put everything that's for the eye. This one is a Avene Thermal. I think this is for hair. Thermal spring water for sensitive skin. I'm not sure what this one is, guys. For the skin. So for the skin. Oh, I got from, this is highlighter from Everglow. This is a highlighter from Everglow for the makeup. This one is Purity. What's this for? Natural looking glow in 3 hours. Water gel. Self tan. Probably this is also tan. I'm not sure. And this one is multi-purpose liquid beam, multi-purpose illuminator. So this is the illuminator, guys. So liquid beam. So this probably for the face. For the face. Makeup. Let's put the makeup together. Then we got another one is salt spray. This one is Fashion Wave. So, hair. There is for the hair. There you go. Amore Pacific. Cleansing foam. Okay, for the face, where are you? We'll just put it here. Then next is Soothing Blue 10C Night Oil. So this is a night oil. The skin, where's the skin makeup? And next is conditioner. So it comes with this one. So that's the shampoo, and this is the conditioner. Okay, so all hair for hair. Then we got illuminating turmeric polish. So this is facial scrub. So this is for the face. Face. And this one is, this is a brow gel. So it's tinted brown gel with microfibers. So this is for brown hair. Okay, for the brows. This is for the brow, guys. First for the eye area, the makeup. Then this one is Still Highlights Tinting. So I got two of this, guys. Two of this. So I got two of the highlights model 2. One's this black. So this is black and this one is gold. So I got two of this. I got two of that, guys, with two different colors. Okay. Next is NYX Lingerie Lip. So this is a lipstick, guys, from NYX Lingerie lipstick. Where is lipstick? I'll just put them all in here, guys. And then another one we got. This is lip crayon. So we got a lip crayon. So that's it. So these are all the items I got, guys. So see, all valued at $250, guys. So this is from Allure Beauty Box. Thank you, guys. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you want to subscribe to this beauty box, check the link down below. Till next time, bye.